Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down investing and money management into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw money from Betterment. If you're an investor with Betterment, you know it's a fantastic platform for automated investing, but sometimes you need to access your cash. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Betterment account. Head over to their website or open the app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the Accounts or Portfolio section in the main dashboard. This is where you'll see your balances and investment details. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option. It's usually found under a menu like Transfers or Banking. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be precise. Double-check the figure to avoid any mistakes. Betterment allows you to withdraw from your available cash balance, so ensure you have funds that aren't tied up in investments. Now, select your withdrawal method. Most users link their bank account for a direct transfer. Betterment supports ACH transfers, which are free but might take 3 to 5 business days to process. If you're in a rush, check if wire transfers are an option, though they could come with fees. Before you confirm, review everything: the amount, your linked bank account, and any potential taxes or fees. Betterment is transparent about this. Look for details on their site. Once you're ready, hit the Submit or Withdraw button. You'll get a confirmation email, and that's it. A few quick tips. Always withdraw only what you need to keep your investments growing. Remember, withdrawals might have tax implications, so consult a financial advisor if needed. And for security, Betterment uses two-factor authentication, so keep that enabled. There you have it. Withdrawing from Betterment is straightforward and secure. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.